Today I'm going to teach you how to find a reference on LinkedIn. This is incredibly useful when you're trying to connect with specific professionals at a company or looking for someone who can vouch for your skills and experience. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in before moving forward, as you'll need full access to LinkedIn's search features for this to work. After you've logged in, you'll notice a search bar at the top of your screen. This is LinkedIn's main search tool, and it's incredibly powerful for finding companies, people, and content. Click on that search bar to activate it. Now type in the name of the company where you're looking to find a reference. This could be any organization, whether it's a potential employer, a client's company, or somewhere you're researching for networking purposes. Once you've typed the company name, you'll see search results appear below. From those results, click directly on the company profile. This will take you to the company's official LinkedIn page, where you can see posts, updates, and most importantly, information about their employees. On the company profile page, look for a section labeled Employees. This tab shows you all the people who currently work at that company and have listed it on their LinkedIn profiles. Click on Employees to view the full list. Once you're viewing the employees, you'll see a button at the top that says All Filters. This is where the real magic happens. Click on All Filters to open up LinkedIn's advanced search options. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen with various filter options. These filters help you narrow down your search significantly. Scroll down through these options until you find the one labeled Keywords. This is the key to finding exactly the type of reference you need. Within the Keywords section, you'll notice a title field. This is where you'll specify what kind of professional you're looking for. Click into that field and type the reference or job title you want to find. For example, if you're looking for someone in talent acquisition, simply type talent into the field. After you've entered your keyword, click on Show Results. LinkedIn will now filter the employee list to show only those whose titles or profiles match your search term. This makes it incredibly easy to find the right person to reach out to or ask for a reference. And that's it. You've successfully located potential references at a specific company on LinkedIn. This method streamlines your networking efforts and helps you connect with the right people quickly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.